Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about weights in Cypress. Okay, how many types we have weights and how we can able to achieve these weights and why these weights we required in our automation. Okay, basically by default our Cypress is a custom timeout is presented in 5000 seconds, but after that also is not presented, then we need to wait certain time for the web element. Okay, because sometimes web element will be load immediately, or sometime it will take and it will load it. Okay, or like you click the something and but it yeah, navigated to another page. Okay, that moment the page is taking more time to load that entire page and need to be uh click, right? But our Cypress is by default communicate with the DOM. Okay, directly it will communicate. But if you are not waiting, the page is loaded, but Cypress is going to hit that one, our script will be failed because DOM it automatically go and hit that particular one. Okay, without loader also. But after loading, we need to see the result, right? It will not happen. For that, what we need to do is we need to make some time to wait. Okay, in Selenium and if you see that Java or Python, we have for thread.sleep is a default inbuilt method. Okay, the similar format we have Cypress also. If you take weights in Cypress, okay, they are provided some set of documentations here. See here by default, they we can enable this is a syntax of that particular element. We can able to as well cy.wait. We can able to provide the time, and we can able to provide for ls names and ls names like multiple names, not for the single. What ls names we can able to see in the this video itself. Okay, this is the correct syntax we can able to see. uh, we have like a thread.sleep and we are providing some value, right? How it is taking the value thread.sleep, that it will wait for complete of the time and then it will navigate to the next page, right? Until the timeout time complete, it will wait. It will not wait for until the web element. But we need to, if you want to use the similar format thread.sleep, you can able to use for cy.wait. Okay, and if you want alias name, this is a profiling. Okay, there's a some tricky is there, but if you provide, then these are also like explicitly wait type of command it will comes. Okay, we have elder related things and everything is presented. We can see by step, and also I'll explain you here. There is a one plugin that is a beautiful plugin, but that is a check type of plug wait. Okay, that is a check type of waiting. Most of the peoples who all are searching in a Google for wait, that person definitely they can see this particular wait. Okay, wait utils. Okay, that also we'll see in this video. Okay, first we'll go for describe block. I'm going to create the suit here, waits demo, and then I'm going to creating for my function, and here it block and waits. First we'll see for uh, cy.wait, that is a thread.sleep type. Okay, for this I'm going to use for Google application. Sorry, I'll take for Google application because it will we can able to search here cy.visit. Okay, and then I'm going to use for my URL. Okay, and here the cy dot await, and I'm going to use for directly 5000 milliseconds, and then I'm going to use for cy dot get, and here I can search this particular locator. uh, this locator is having for id. I'm going to take for id. Okay, and here I can hash id value that type, and I'm going to use for Lokesh. Okay, this is my hard coded time dot sleep. Okay, now npx cypress open. Okay, now I'm opening for my Cypress. Now here I'm going to use for. Now mine is the file is waits. You can able to see here the time also it will wait execution. You can able to see wait also. See now the wait is taking time. You can able to see that it is waiting for complete time is completed. Then it is after that it is entered. Okay, this is a hard coded wait. This is a hard coded wait. Okay, I don't want hard coded wait. I want to use once the web element once the web element is available, immediately we need to go. I don't want to wait for 5,000 seconds. I want to go before that. How we can able to use it? Like here we can able to use for comma in a get location, not for type location. Get location. Okay. In a get after single quotation after you provided for path of your locator, then make it for one comma and then use it here curly braces comma after separating comma. You can use for timeout. Timeout is a function. Okay, that colon you can provide for 5,000. Okay, now I'm going to save here. You can see it is not waited that much of time. Okay, it is not waited that much of time. It is immediately do because the element is immediately available. Then also it will skip that remaining time and it will go on enter. Okay, it will not wait for, it's kind of explicitly wait in a selenium. Okay, explicitly wait of selenium. Okay, this is explicitly, this is a thread dot slip inbuilt of one. Okay, we want to use for implicitly to wait something we need to load before that. How we can able to means these are alias names. These are alias names. We can able to see that intercept. Intercept is a function. It will do for invoking an your web application networking location. Okay, networking location, which is the one the URLs are open. That particular URLs, the last one it will take, and if that particular URL is loaded, then only we can go for next step. Like that, we are going to invoking. Okay, in case if you are using for the same intercept in API level also, we can able to use directly. We can able to invoke the API level also, but this is invoked by API level. But if you want a UI level and API level, understand that API level means when we are going to do for API automation testing, that is the one, and UI level means UI web application automation. Okay, this is separated. Okay, API level automation time also we can able to use for intercept, and UI also we can able to use UI. But again, this intercept it will invoke into your web application network area. How means if you inspect this particular element, there is a network tab into your application. Okay, here it will load here. Once again, I'll reload this one. See now these are the endpoints. It is loaded. Okay, this is the endpoint. It is loaded. Wait. This is the one. Okay, before loading it is the one first it is loaded, not remaining things. There is a query parameters will be presented. If you choose this particular one, it will fail because it is loaded after that. Okay, first load is ended with this particular form. After that it is loaded remaining thing. Okay, then we need to identification of networking this particular URLs. It is a tricky. Okay, that is a very tricky. If you missed out something, then we'll get some failures. Okay, now this is my URL. I want to, after getting this particular URL, I want to load my do the some coding. Okay, by using alias name cy.intercept. Okay, here there are two ways we can able to use. We can able to directly provide the URL, or you can able to provide for a method. We can see there is a weights also presented inside that. There is a intercept concept, and here also you can see that is the one. It will provide here. We can provide the method name URL host. This is the one format, and another format this is directly we can able to provide, or you can provide for URL. If you want to provide for API level of some body to requesting, this also you can able to use. Anything you can able to request. Even you can able to create, this is the format. Some request you want to do some operation before loading, that also you can able to mention. Okay, These are the ways we can able to create the intercept. Now I'm going to show you this particular one and this particular one. Okay, these are the two ways I'm going to creating now. Okay, first I'm going to providing directly URL, copying the URL and pasting here and single quotation. After that I'm going to use for dot as is a name to provide some name. Okay, my request, this is my request. Okay, second word should be capital. Okay, my request, I'm copying my request and coming to here and make it here cy.await, and here I'm going to use for single quotation at the rate and my value. Okay, which is the name I requested, this one, that particular name I'm providing here. Okay, now I'm saving now. Okay, now again you can see now router is on. Okay, if you see here routers, these are routers, it will invoke this particular one. This is the URL user is expecting, this is a stub. Okay, they are providing for stubs is required like a markup creations. Okay, mockups, this is a stub creation, automatically it will create the router and it will take this, and how many request times we need to wait, 2 requests. Then it can comes to down. Now you can see this is a request, my request, and my request is waited for until my request is getting. There is a one request time it is getting, one particular request is written, then also it is alias is found, then we are going for do next step like that. Okay, there's a networking area, we need to see the which is the one last loaded our query parameter, that we need to see. Okay, then only it will work. There's a one approach. And second, we can able to provide directly method, that is a post method, we can able to provide the post method comma separated. This is another method, like another, this is a method and this is the URL. Okay, if you save now, the same one it will work, there is no different. But in case if this method is required for get, but we posted we used for method as a post, then our request will be failed. Okay, we need to change the request based upon our requirement. Okay, which is a method we are getting a network area, that particular name we need to pass, and the post method, and even if you have some body response body, and you can able to request body something you have those things also we can able to pass it. Okay, those are the ways we can able to approach. These are the three different approaches. Okay, but other than this we have one more plugin that is called a wait utils. Okay, wait utils, there is a plugin here, we can able to npm json base, you can able to wait-utils Cypress, if you will get for first one. Go to here, we require to install for the plugin, you need to install this plugin. Okay, and copy this one, go to here terminal and stop the execution. In case if you are running, stop the execution, paste that particular value which is the one you make it, and enter, it will install it. Okay, it will install into your local. Once it is installed, then we can able to use it. Okay, after that we need to import this particular plugin into that particular section. Okay, you can able to import current test case location, or you can able to go ahead for commands location, and here you can able to import that particular plugin. Anything is okay. Okay, if you use this command location like support and commands.json location imported, it will available for all the feature files like all the test cases. If you are importing this particular test case location, it will available only for this particular location, it will not presented for any other location. We need to require paste this value. Okay, now we are able to save it. Okay, now I'm going to use for it block dot only. Now I'm going to run for only, and my example is wait utils. Okay, and here I'm going to create it, my function. Now for the wait utilizing purpose, I'm going to take for this particular URL. Okay, cy.visit, and also you can comes to here and see there are methods they are provided. We can able to use, this is a format, but one thing you need to remember, this particular weights is called as a checked weight. Checked weight. Okay, checked weight is nothing but you need to something you need to make it like this. Then only it will work. If you are not make like this, our script will be keep on run. Okay. Now how we can able to use that particular weight? Okay, cy dot util wait util. Okay, and then we can able to create the function. Okay, and here we need to use it for now we can able to use it for here cy dot a get, and what we need to verify here, we are going to verifying the name of this particular one. I'm going to take the selector hub and taking the path. Okay, and this is my path. Okay, then I'm going to invoking my method because I want to invoke something method to get the text. Okay, I'm invoking the text. Okay, then I'm going to use for then function. Okay, and here we can here I can able to use for texas colon my function texas equal to triple equal to and single quotation home. Okay, this is the one. Yeah. Okay, one brace is closed. Okay, now we are able to here. Okay, if you are after running you can able to see now one time it is invoke. Okay, the wait is done perfectly working wait. Okay, in case how many times you want to use that many times you can able to use, but in case if your invalid case now false case, now if I make it here you can see it is keep on running, but it is keep on running. After that after certain time it is going to fail. It is telling that timeout retrying, but it is showing for timeout retrying. Okay, I don't want to go for like this, right? I want to go. I don't want to show timeout retrying, but we can able to see for custom error. For the custom error seeing purpose, we have one function call here. This is a custom error getting purpose. Okay, this is a custom error getting. Okay, copy this information and copy this one. Comes to here. Now here paste it. Okay, now we are going to make the custom error. Now after if I fail this one, I want to see this is a custom error message. I want to see this is a custom error message. Now you can see this is custom error message. Okay, but also you can able to see here I mentioned for 2000 wait taken and also interval is 500. Okay, means I want to rotate 500 4 times and the fifth time I want to fail my script. Okay, now here 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, and the fifth time it is got the function is error. Like this we can able to make for custom error as well. Okay, this is a best example for wait utils. Okay, I hope this information help for you to use this wait utils into your project. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.